This BMW didn't ruin its owner overnight. It ruined him slowly, quietly, one repair at a time. And this is exactly how it happens. Part 1. The Trap. You find it online. A BMW for $5,000. It looks perfect, drives smooth, sounds healthy. You think, this is the cheapest way into luxury. But cheap BMWs are never cheap. They're just discounted problems. Part 2. What everyone ignores. People focus on the wrong things. They look at the price, the rims, the badge. They don't look at skipped services, delayed repairs, warning signs ignored for years. BMWs don't forgive neglect. They expose it, and they expose it with invoices. Part 3. The most tempting ones. Let's talk about the cars everyone wants in this budget. E46. Pure driving feel. Timeless design. But age hits everything. Cooling systems, rubber parts, suspension. One fix turns into 5. E60. Big, comfortable, impressive. Feels like a steal at this price. Until electronics start talking to each other. And you're paying just to find a problem. E9X series. The dream daily. Modern enough. Affordable enough. But early engines, oil issues, and poor maintenance turn fun ownership into monthly stress. These cars aren't bad cars. They're just brutally honest cars. Part 4. The real price. The buying price is just the entry fee. Real ownership starts with suspension refresh, cooling system, sensors, preventive maintenance you can't skip. Each repair alone doesn't hurt. But together, they drain you. Slowly, consistently. Final rule. Here's the rule nobody wants to hear. If you can barely afford the BMW, you absolutely can't afford to own it. A cheap BMW is only cheap once. After that, it owns you. If this helped you avoid a bad decision, subscribe. More real car advice coming very soon.